I took a step back from YouTube for the past few months. Let me show you exactly why I took such a big break. So a few things have happened while I've been away. Got a new job, started a business, moved house, sold a house, bought a new house. At auction, it's been pretty crazy. I got a job as the business development manager for Queensland and the Northern Territory, and we manufacture battery systems here in Brisbane. We manufacture residential solar and battery systems, and we also manufacture commercial C&I battery systems. So anywhere from 5-10 kilowatt inverters to 44 kilowatt hours of storage, and with your commercial sizes anywhere from 30-50 kilowatt to 100, 200, a megawatt, all the way up to 5 megawatt hours of battery storage in the commercial space, either containerized or in modular cabinets. So RedEarth has been around for 13 years manufacturing batteries here in Australia, and it's a really interesting job, and I'm really excited. I've been there for 5 months now, and I'm really enjoying it. I love being in an industry where you get to focus on selling something that actually matters, that provides value, that saves people money, that saves the environment. It's just something I learned from Elon Musk a long time ago, was if you enjoy something, the thing that will make you get up and really enjoy doing what you're doing for a career, for a job. If you're moving the needle for human race, for society, if we're going somewhere, you get so much more enjoyment and happiness out of your work on a day-to-day business. I wake up on Mondays feeling refreshed, like I want to achieve something and help grow this business and help people overcome their solar renewable challenges, help solve problems, create energy, create storage, save businesses money. It just gives me so much satisfaction every day. I was wondering why I always had to change my battery in this car so frequently, or in all my other cars so frequently. And I was sick of spending a couple $100 on buying a battery every single time your battery dies. And I'm in the industry, I'm in the battery industry, and there has to be some other technology out there. And lithium has been the latest battery technology that everybody's been talking about recently, but it just doesn't do what a cranking battery does, to start a battery should do. And lead acid is in 85% of all cars, and that technology has been around since the 1800s. It was originally designed for long storage, not for car starter engines, not for any other reason. It's hundreds of years old. The battery industry is always evolving with new batteries, new technology all the time, and sodium ion has been a recent technology advancement in the last few years, and it's really just come to the forefront of technology in Australia, or in manufacturing facilities around the world. And what better way to solve that problem of a starter battery product that's been around for 100 years, and what not better to start a business in that industry. So I actually started a business called SaltyCells, obviously because of the name sodium ion, and battery cells. So the business manufactures starter cranking batteries for your standard car. So there's no lead, there's no acid, there's no lithium, so there's less fire hazards, there's less chance of there's less environmental damage with sodium batteries. They don't have such an environmental footprint. So SaltyCells is a manufacturer of 12-volt car starter batteries. And the great thing about sodium-ion batteries is that they have 3,000 cycles as opposed to 3 to 500 with lead acid, and they've got a 10-year lifespan as opposed to 2 to 3 years with the standard lead acid or AGM car battery. So in the scheme of things, even though it might be a tiny little bit more expensive, over 10 years you're saving almost 3 times the value in buying a sodium-ion starter battery than another type of battery. In here, a straight direct replacement to your car battery. So I found all the sizes. I've been able to design all the batteries suitable for all the Australian model cars on the market. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a complete replacement of this car battery, and everybody can do it. It's a really easy and simple thing to do for your car. Is literally just a couple of screws and a couple of plugs, take it out, replace it. And what I'm going to do in the next video, in the next session, I'll show everybody how to do that. So